1. Asparagus. Asparagus is a dietary prebiotic, which is a type of undigestible fiber called oligosaccharides. Dr. Graham advises to think of prebiotics as food or fertilizer for the healthy bacteria within the gut. Prebiotics work by improving your immune system, by increasing anti-inflammatory cytokines while reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines. Other good sources of prebiotics include fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains like wheat, oats, and barley. Dr. Graham warns, be careful if introducing these prebiotics suddenly, they can increase gas and bloating. 2. Milk. According to Dr. Elizabeth Zmuda, Director of Medical Education, Doctors Hospital at Ohio Health, milk is a good source of selenium and a notable source of zinc. 1 cup of skim milk provides 11% and 7% of the recommended daily amount of selenium and zinc, respectively. According to Zmuda, selenium enhances the function of many immune cells and a lack of zinc impairs immune system function, which has been shown to improve with increasing zinc intake. 3. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are known as medicinal mushrooms that Dr. Graham says may support the body's immune defense against infections by acting on various elements of the immune system and increasing a T-cell immune response. You can sauté shiitake mushrooms in olive oil as a simple side, or add to omelets, rice dishes, pasta dishes, soups, and salads. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli contains antioxidant-acting polyphenols which are important for the immune system, says Dr. Graham. He explains that broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane glucosinolate, which is the disease-fighting agent that boosts immunity. When it comes to broccoli, the more the better, both raw and gently cooked. 5. Chicken soup. Although there aren't double-blind placebo-controlled studies looking at the effect of chicken soup on curing a cold, scientists found that drinking chicken soup helped with nasal mucus velocity, which means you send bad stuff that you breath out faster so the virus or bacteria does not multiply and cause you a disease, says Dr. Michael F. Roizen, MD, and professor at Lerner College of Medicine, and author of 4 #1 New York Times bestsellers. Dr. Roizen explains that other research has found that ingredients in chicken soup have an anti-inflammatory effects, perhaps because of the chicken, broth, and vegetables all working together. 6. Ginger. The best part about some of the foods that prevent sickness is that you can throw them into your soup, like ginger. Dr. Roizen explains that in one experiment, ginger was shown to block viruses. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a top pick from Dr. Riva L. Rawl, MD, Medical Director of Cooper Healthy Living and Cooper Aerobics Center. Garlic is rich in allicin, a sulfuric compound which has been shown to boost the immune system.